Once upon a time, in a lush forest nestled at the foothills of the Himalayas, there lived a parrot named Sujata. Sujata was known for her vibrant plumage and melodious voice, but more so for her compassionate heart and wisdom. The forest was home to a diverse array of creatures, and Sujata's presence was a source of comfort and joy for all. One particularly dry season, the forest faced a severe drought. Rivers dried up, plants withered, and the animals grew weak with thirst. One day, a devastating wildfire broke out, spreading rapidly due to the dry conditions. The flames consumed everything in their path, threatening to turn the entire forest to ash. As the fire raged on, Sujata couldn't bear to see her home and the lives of her fellow creatures being destroyed. With a fierce determination to help, she flew to a nearby river that had not yet dried up. She dipped her feathers into the water, flew back to the fire, and shook off the droplets onto the flames. Over and over, she repeated this seemingly futile task, her tiny wings growing tired and her body drenched. The other animals watched in awe and sorrow, convinced that Sujata's efforts were in vain. Some mocked her, saying, "What good can a few drops of water do against such a mighty fire?" But Sujata was undeterred, driven by her deep compassion and unwavering resolve. High above in the heavens, the gods observed Sujata's tireless efforts. Touched by her selfless courage and compassion, they decided to intervene. The rain god Indra summoned a great storm, and soon, heavy rains began to pour down, quenching the flames and saving the forest from destruction. The animals rejoiced, their lives spared thanks to Sujata's bravery. They gathered around her, expressing the gratitude and admiration. Sujata, however, remained humble. She reminded them that it was not just her efforts but the unity of compassion and the will to protect that had saved their home. In Buddhism, this story illustrates the power of compassion and the importance of selfless actions to protect and nurture one's soul. Sujata's unwavering dedication, despite the odds, embodies the Buddhist principle of Bodhisattva, a being who seeks enlightenment not just for themselves but for the benefit of all sentient beings. By cultivating compassion, selflessness, and perseverance, one can protect their soul and contribute to the well-being of others. The tale of Sujata the Parrot reminds us that no act of kindness is ever too small, and the true protection of the soul lies in our ability to act with compassion and courage, even in the face of great challenges.